It literally means to carry the crab but not eat it. You might think it's very funny who will eat the crab, right? Hi guys! Welcome back to Deep Chinese. 我係你老師 Gloria. So last week I have posted some idioms related to sick on Instagram, and I promise you that once when it reaches 50 likes, and I will make a video to explain them. So yay, we make it! Let's know some eating idioms today. Before, I have already made some food slangs and dating slangs and ghost slangs. You can check the link below and watch them. I know some people must say that some of them are not very common and they are old-fashioned, cheesy, or useless, but I just want to say Cantonese is very interesting because of these pure and typical words. I really don't want our next generation to forget these sayings. If you agree with me, please like this video. Cantonese love eat a lot. That's why we have lots of idioms related to sick. So today I will just teach about 8 of them. So number 1, 食夜粥. 食夜粥. 粥 means porridge. 食夜粥 literally means eating porridge at night. Do you know that I'm from Star-Sen style Kung Fu city, Fasan? And in the past, the security was quite bad here. So lots of people, they learn Kung Fu at night after work. Their Simo will prepare some porridge for them as snacks after they finished their practicing. So 食夜粥 means learn Kung Fu before. But it doesn't mean that you really have to learn Kung Fu.
阿伯你冇嘢啊嘛，阿伯？
傻啦，冇嘢，一個夜粥頂得住，夜粥冇做，即係功夫。
Sometimes you could just say it as a joke. So when you get injured and your friends ask you, 你冇嘢啊嘛？你冇嘢啊嘛？ Are you okay? And then you could say, Hey, 冇嘢，我話晒都食過下夜粥，濕濕碎啦。Hey, 冇嘢，我話晒都食過下夜粥㗎，濕濕碎啦。冇嘢 ，it doesn't matter. Nothing. 話晒 anyhow. 食過下夜粥 learn some Kung Fu before. 濕濕碎啦 It's not a big deal. Hey, 冇嘢，我話晒都食過下夜粥㗎，濕濕碎啦。哎呀 nothing. I kind of have learned Kung Fu before. It's not a big deal. Or when you meet something dangerous and then you try to brag it, you could say, 你好出嚟啦，我唔驚你㗎，我食過下夜粥㗎。你好出嚟啦，你好出嚟啦。You the better come out. 好 the better. 出嚟 come out. 驚 be afraid of. 我食過下夜粥㗎 I learned Kung Fu before. 你好出嚟啦，我唔驚你㗎，我食過下夜粥㗎。You the better come out. I'm not afraid of you. I know some Kung Fu. Number 2, 食拖鞋飯. 食拖鞋飯. 拖鞋 sleeper. It literally means have sleeper meals. So in Chinese tradition, we despise those guys who live on their wife and or their girlfriend. They only wear the sleeper the whole day and they stay at home watching TVs and gambling. So we could say 呢啲食拖鞋飯嘅男人好冇用啊。呢啲食拖鞋飯嘅男人好冇用啊。呢啲 These 食拖鞋飯嘅男人 the guy who lives on their wife or their girlfriend 好冇用 very useless 呢啲食拖鞋飯嘅男人好冇用啊 the guys who lives on their wife or their girlfriend are really useless. So they also have another one, it's called 食軟飯 it literally means eat soft rice. Number 3, 食死貓 食死貓 literally means eat a dead cat, but here means to be a scapegoat. It happens a lot on our work. Our supervisors always make us to be a scapegoat when something goes wrong. So we could say 明明都唔係我嘅錯，但係我上司就質我食死貓。明明都唔係我嘅錯，但係我上司就質我食死貓。明明 obviously 錯 fault 唔係我嘅錯 it's not my fault 但係 but 我上司 my supervisor 就 then 質我食死貓質 force someone to do something 食死貓 be a scapegoat 明明都唔係我嘅錯 但係我上司就質我食死貓。It was not my fault, but my supervisor forced me to be a scapegoat. Number 4. 食塞米，食塞米，食塞米，食塞米 or 食塞米，食塞米. So all of them means someone useless. We don't know which one is origin because it was just passed on by words of mouth. The first one literally means like eat the rice, but it was stuffed instead of digestion. The second one means we eat the rice, but it's lost. The last one means we eat the stale rice. Just pick the ones that make sense for you. For example, I'm really bad at housework, and my mom asked me to change the garbage bag, and I'm not doing it in her way, and then she would say, 你真係食塞米啊，換個垃圾袋都唔識，你真係食塞米啊，換個垃圾袋都唔識，真係 really indeed 食塞米，食塞米 useless 換 change 垃圾袋 trash bag 唔識 don't know 你真係食塞米啊，換個垃圾袋都唔識。You're really totally useless. You even can't change a trash bag. Number 5. 食生菜，食生菜 It literally means eat the letters. Normally we will use it to compare with something easy to do. For example, 易過食生菜，易過食生菜 easy than eating lettuce. Because 生菜 can be just eaten without cooked. Some people think learning Chinese is really difficult, but I would say 有我教你，你學識講廣東話，簡直就易過食生菜啦。你同我定喎，有我教你，你學識講廣東話，簡直就易過食生菜啦。你同我定喎。So 有我教你 ，have me to teach you 學識 learn 講廣東話。講廣東話 speak Cantonese 簡直 indeed 易過食生菜 easy than eating lettuce 你同我定喎定 calm down 有我教你，你學識講廣東話簡直就易過食生菜啦你同我定喎 You learn Cantonese with my help Learning Cantonese is absolutely easier than eating lettuce You should be calm for me So there is also another saying is 發誓當食生菜發誓當食生菜發誓 means swear an oath 當 regard as 食生菜 eating lettuce so it means swear an oath as if eating lettuce We like to eat the lettuce because it's really fresh and crispy. Sometimes you will eat it because of its taste. If we make easy promise without intentions to keep them, we could say 發誓當食生菜 So I always tell my sister that I will sleep early. But my sister don't believe it because 我成日都發誓當食生菜我成日都發誓當食生菜成日都 always 發誓 swear an oath 當 regard as 食生菜 eating lettuce I always make promise without keeping them. Number 6. 食人隻車 This character has two pronunciations 車 and 車 In ancient China, we pronounce 車 for carriage, for all cars. Now we only pronounce 車 on the Chinese chess. If you play Chinese chess before, you must know 車 as the rook. 車 is as important as the general in Chinese chess. So once when the other player captures your 車, your heart will be broken. So we use this chess term to describe someone's behavior has a great impact on us. When you ask the shopkeeper how much is the necklace, and then she tell you that it's 10,000蚊, you must say that 呢條鏈咁就要10皮嘢。你想食人隻車咩？呢條鏈咁就要10皮嘢。你想食人隻車咩？呢條鏈 this necklace 咁 in this way 就要 charge 10皮嘢$10,000 想食人隻車咩 Are you robbing me? This necklace is about $10,000 Are you robbing me? So these phrases could also be used to describe someone that is demanding and too greedy. For example, If I get some bonus today, and then I tell my sister that 我請你食飯啦，你想食咩啊？我請你食飯啦，你想食咩啊？ And if she told me that she want me to buy her a luxury dinner, then I could say 你想食咗我隻車咩？你想食咗我隻車咩？ I'm trying to spend all my money. Number 7. 擔屎都唔偷食，擔屎都唔偷食。It literally means to carry the crab but not eat it. You might think it's very funny who will eat the crab, right? There is a story about it, but as I say, some idioms are passed on the words of mouth. So the original one from 100 years ago are not written in this way. But the idiom is quite funny in this way, right? 擔屎唔偷食 actually is to describe someone who is completely honest. If you ask me about my boyfriend criteria, I might tell you that 佢份人要老實啲，最好就擔屎都唔偷食嗰種。佢份人要老實啲，最好就擔屎都唔偷食嗰種。So 佢份人，it means like the personality of him. 老實 honest. 啲 more honest. 最好 is better that 擔屎都唔偷食。Completely honest 嗰種 that kind of person. My boyfriend criteria is he must be very honest. It's better that he is completely honest. Well, just a joke. Okay, number 8. Have you tried 𝙤𝙤𝙧𝙤𝙪 before? I don't think so, right? I think it will be quite exciting if you eat some same pleasures, right? We have a saying called 食龍肉都冇味，食龍肉都冇味。食龍肉 eating 𝙤𝙤𝙧𝙤𝙪 冇味 have no taste. It literally means eating 𝙤𝙤𝙧𝙤𝙪 and feel plain. This phrase is trying to describe that we have no mood for eating and no appetite. For example, if you get dumb and then you could say 我失戀啦，而家食龍肉都冇味啦。我失戀啦，而家食龍肉都冇味啦。失戀 get dumb 而家 now 食龍肉 eating 𝙤𝙤𝙧𝙤𝙪 冇味 have no taste. Be plain. 我失戀啦，而家食龍肉都冇味啦。I get dumb. I have no appetite. That's what we learned today. If you like today's video, please give me a big thumb up. And I hope that this video will get more views because I feel really sad when there is at least 10,000 views. If this type of video, like Slang video, cannot get lots of views, I don't think I will make this anymore. Because I spend lots of time to do research, to write the script, to make this video for you guys. Yeah, if you liked this video, please give me a big thumb up. And if you want to support me, you could go to my Patreon page and buy me a bubble tea. Or you could buy my Jyutping learning material. See you next time. Bye bye.
Baby